Hi, I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Now today we're going to look at an earnings call from these guys right here. This is Nike. This is a brand new Nike hoodie, buddy. I'm looking good. This Nike earnings call is actually not too bad. You know what? Now Nike came out in the earnings call, said things are a little flat right now. Okay, a little bit flat. I can tolerate that. Give it to me. Lay it on me, Nike. Tell me how flat it is. 57 cents EPS, beat the street by 9 cents. That doesn't sound flat to me at all. Revenues at just over $9 billion. Now, okay, that missed by 20 million. Yeah, a miss is a miss, but 9 billion, you missed by 20 million. That could be a discrepancy in the accounting, right? So like, we definitely want to see beats, but it's not the worst in the world. Now, Nike's athletic footwear is down 3% in the US. Their regular athletic apparel is down 1%. Now we're getting into this flatness I think they were talking about. This sounds flat, real flat. And this is the same kind of thing we got the last earnings call at Nike, and this seems to be a bit of a trend. Now I wonder if Nike hasn't maybe just got to the point where their market is so saturated because we all own Nike. Everybody loves Nike, everybody spends money on it. I don't know a person who doesn't own Nike apparel, whether it's shoes or the clothing or something that Nike does. So maybe the flatness isn't so much that there isn't any sales left to be made, but it's just that people are only recouping the type of sales they've already been making. They make all these purchases, and now they only have to actually remake purchases as things start to wear out. It's a potential, because in North America, everybody wears Nike. Converse, which is a Nike brand, down 14%, 13%, it's somewhere in that range. It's in double digits, and that's brutal. Now, Converse is definitely more of a nostalgia brand than it is a brand that's gonna, break new headway. It's not gonna make new ground as far as athletic apparel goes. It's definitely sort of a kitschy trend brand. It's something that, a lot of people like Converse, not a lot of money in it. It's not gonna be something that you see, there's not gonna sell any big dollar Converse items. So while it's down double-digit percentages, I don't think that we chalk that up to a major loss for Nike, but I can see where they're talking about flat, especially when we're considering North American sales. So while EPS beat by 9 cents, and revs were basically right on the money at $9 billion. What's going on with Nike? Where are we going from here? Internationally, of course. That's where we're going, because sales in China, mainland China, are up 12%. That's how the company out of Oregon sells shoes, buddy. You gotta break into new markets. You gotta find where the money is. If Adidas wants to go out and make nice clothes and get good earnings calls and then burn it all to the ground by getting a bunch of high school players to take money from Adidas to go to Adidas-sponsored schools, and when Adidas gets the mainstream media blowback from that, you can imagine who's that going to make look good. Just think about it. Where's the trickle-down effect? Does it help Under Armour? Under Armour can't do a thing to help themselves at this point. It's going to affect Adidas' #1 competitor and still the #1 brand in the market space, and that's Nike. So while this earnings call might not be anything astounding, going into the Christmas season and with the international market that they seem to be just bludgeoning at 12% growth this quarter, I can imagine Nike going into Christmas and maybe the last earnings call that we get this year might really round out 2017 for the Nike brand as a solid win, and we won't be using this term flat anymore. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. You go ahead, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Leave yourself a like if you like this video about Nike's earnings, and leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if I look good in my Nike sweater. You want to leave a comment. Tell me what's up. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Thanks for stopping by.